Hi, we are Planteers and today we're gonna talk about the deforestation. First, the benefits of the forest to the human lives. There are many factors that contribute to creating a perfect life for people. One of the most basic is the role of forest. The earth is covered with forest, home to many diverse and abundant plants and animal species. 31% of the earth is more covered by forest, and about 80% of the world's biodiversity lies in this forest ecosystem. So, what benefit do forests bring us? First, wood and some tree can be used to construct buildings or create paper, and they have played an important role in the past and present. Forests provide shelter for about 1.6 billion people. In addition, nearly 3 billion people in poor countries rely on firewood for cooking and heating. Not stopping there, the forest has a large number of fruit trees that provide nutrients for animals, including us. Large trees such as a cashew tree can provide shade. Forests also give us a huge resource, but we are destroying them very seriously. Redwood in natural forests can be very profitable, so many people cut down valuable trees to sell and then overexploit the forest, making it scarce. Many people use expensive wood for decorative purposes or jewelry. Next, what is deforestation? Before learning about the benefit and reality of deforestation, we need to understand its concept. Deforestation is the art of reducing forests worldwide. It is mainly to obtain land, widen roads, build houses, or sell valuable timber. Deforestation has damaged natural ecosystem, biodiversity, climate, and had been increased by human activity since 1960. The Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations estimates deforestation is about 1.3 million square kilometers per decade, equivalent to one soccer jungle lost every second. Every year, WWF estimates that around 8 million hectares of forest are lost, and as a result, 17% of Amazonian forests have been lost in the last 50 years, along with the other forested area in Indonesia or Congo. This number seems to continue to increase. If it continues like this, what will the future of humans be? Deforestation is still going on, impacting climate and geography. As a result of tree damage and destruction, carbon storage in trees is released into the atmosphere. Also, as a result of deforestation, soil carbon escapes into the sky. Soil warms faster and the weather becomes harder in areas that have been deforested, causing water evaporation, creating clouds and leading to more rainfall. Deforestation contributes to global warming. It is considered to be one of the major contributing factors to the expansion of the greenhouse effect. The tropics are responsible for 20% of greenhouse gas emissions. Next, water and climate. One of the most important aspects that determine the survival of an organism is water. Tropical forests account for 30% of the world's fresh water. Deforestation also has an impact on the water cycle. Plants absorb groundwater and release it into the atmosphere. Air and water cycle. When forests are cut down, trees stop evaporating water, resulting in a significantly drier climate. The soil's ability to store and evaporate rainwater is compromised by deforestation. Let's move into animals. Forests provide biodiversity and habitat for animals. Because the forest is the safe haven, if we destroy it by cutting down trees or burning it, we not only hurt the ecosystem, we also lose animal habitat. Deforestation reduces biodiversity and pollutes the environment. It is predicted to cause the extinction of more than 100 species of plants, animals, and insects every day. The most obvious example is the bushfire in Australia and Brazil in 2019 that have claimed the lives and habitat of many creatures. In Australia, about half a billion animals, including a third of koalas, have been consumed by fire. Not stopping there, 80% of the world's recorded species can be found in tropical rainforests, which are more prone to deforestation. Now let's move to deforestation in Vietnam. Deforestation is one of the concerns for Vietnam because people believe that if they cut down valuable trees, they will make a lot of money, but they don't know how it affects their lives. Wooded area, degraded land, damaged crops. Vietnam had the second highest rate of primary forest loss in the world, according to the General Department of Forestry. About 22,800 hectares of forest were damaged in the 2011 to 2019 period, of which more than 10,000 hectares were caused by forest fire. In just 5 years, the Central Highlands of Vietnam lost more than 130,000 hectares of forest. However, multinational initiatives on forest greening and active tree planting are still underway. Currently, the area of forest land eligible for calculation of national coverage rate is 13,785,642 hectares. The coverage rate is 41.65%. In 2019, the forest coverage rate reached about 41.85%, and in 2020, the forest coverage rate reached about 42%. Those are surprising numbers. How to protect or reduce deforestation? So, the question is, what can we do to protect the forest? The answer is probably simpler than you think. You can stop buying or limit more harmful products and look for ones that are either fair trade certified. It is necessary to focus on using forests in a sustainable way, such as limiting exploitation of old forests and increasing the number of seedlings planted. Educating environmental awareness at school. Organize contests on reducing waste, preserving forest resources. Just by this simple action, you have contributed to protecting the forest and also the animals. Deforestation has a significant impact on the environment, animals, human life, and other living species. If it continues, it will bring a lot of negative things to our life. Therefore, it is urgent to prevent deforestation and protect our forests right now. Time spent with plants is never a waste of time.